and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy air fryer recipe. It is pizza taquitos. Now you might notice I'm in a little bit of a different setting today. That is because I've moved recently, so welcome to my new kitchen. Jumping right into our recipe, we're going to start off with my favorite tortillas. These are the ones by Mission Foods. I love these little mini zero net carb tortillas. I love really easy air fryer recipes, especially when you don't have a lot of time or you're just looking for a really quick snack or a quick lunch. And this is one of my go-tos. To my tortillas, I'm gonna add some crushed tomatoes. Now to my crushed tomatoes, I added a little bit of the minced garlic that you find in the jar. You can do some fresh garlic, you can do no garlic. Honestly, make these whatever you want them to be. Either way, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. You guys know I love garlic. You know I like things on the saucier side. So that's why I like to use these crushed tomatoes. You can also use a marinara sauce if you want, but something with a tomato base is what you're looking for. To my crushed tomatoes, I'm gonna add some chorizo. Now this is chorizo that I've already cooked. You can use whatever kind of meat that you want. You can use ground beef, ground lamb, ground chicken. I like chorizo, so that's what I'm gonna add for this. And this is also a really great recipe for kids. Absolutely love this to take to lunch. It's super easy to make. Next, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Now this is freshly grated mozzarella cheese. Use whichever kind of cheese you want, but I like that mozzarella gets really melty, and this is pizza styled, so that's why I'm gonna be using that. But you could also use something like Colby Jack or, you know, cheddar, whatever you like, whatever you have at home. Especially after moving, you're looking for all your stuff. You don't know where your groceries are, you don't know where your, all your appliances are. I always know where my air fryer is though. And when you have limited ingredients, this is a really, really great go-to. To my taquitos, I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. This one is on the spicier side. You can just use a plain Italian seasoning if you want to though. Or you could just add some dried parsley, dried oregano, dried basil, really whatever you have at home. Again, this is a really easy recipe, so just use what you have at home. If you don't have any of these, just some salt and pepper will do as well. It's time to roll our taquitos. I have my air fryer preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't have to preheat it, but it does cook a little better when you make it nice and hot before you throw the taquitos in there. So for the rolling, all you're going to do is you're going to push down the mozzarella like this, and then we're going to roll and close the sides like a burrito, just like that. And we're gonna take a toothpick and stick it right through the middle. Do that for all of your taquitos. I'm only gonna be making 3 today because this is just for me, but if you're going to be making this for your kids, for your family, make as many as you need. This is also a really great party appetizer. So bank that as well for your next Christmas party, your next New Year's party, football party, whatever kind of party you're having. My taquitos are rolled. I have some melted butter here. I'm gonna add some granulated garlic powder and some salt. And also some fresh parsley. You can add some dried parsley if that's all you have at home. Either one will work. Combine that all together. And we're going to put this on top of the taquitos. It's gonna be like a nice garlic butter sauce, just right on top. If you don't like parsley or you don't have parsley, either fresh or dried, you can completely omit that as well, and you can just do the garlic powder and the butter. If you wanted to make this even more garlicky, you could also add fresh garlic, like pressed garlic, or you could add the minced garlic that's in the jar. Since I already have the minced garlic in the sauce that I put inside the taquito, I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just going to be using the garlic powder. My air fryer is preheated. I'm going to take an air fryer liner and put it at the bottom of the tray. And we're going to take our taquitos with the folded side up, and we're gonna put them into the air fryer tray. Throw these into your air fryer and cook them for 4 minutes. These taquitos smell and look absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to take a bite. Cheers, guys. Super easy to make, really, really delicious, and most importantly, low carb and a great, great snack that you can have. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.